Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I will try to give you a review of Nokia N8 and how you can use this phone in 2022. And I have used this phone for a few weeks and still using it, and it's quite fun actually using this phone, although you have to struggle a lot to uh, get all the things. So I bought this phone few, I think 2 weeks back, and after that what I have done is just whenever I tried to install anything, it was giving me some kind of error certificate and other things. Then I have found one page about Nokia N8. What I found actually one firmware for this phone, which is modified firmware, and I have flashed that ROM. And as you can see here, I have installed most of the apps whatever I need, Facebook, even Telegram also working here. And also I have installed Opera Mini and other things. Main highlight of this phone was camera actually. So I bought this phone to test the camera, because when this phone was released, that time it was very really expensive, like more than $500, which too much for the time. I can't get it. So when I found this phone for $10, I just bought it to check the camera quality and other things. So I have clicked some photos and videos with this phone, and I will show you all those things. And this phone is still take good photos, but as you know, because of the time and the improvement of technology, so what are you getting here is that the phone produce the photos, it's like not that much saturated. It's close to nature, or most of the time washed out. So but the flash is quite good at night. Without flash, if you take photos, the photo will be very bad. But if you take with the flash, then you will get some usable photos. So I will show all of this. So let's talk about some firmware and other things. As you can see here, I'm using a theme here, which is Windows based theme. And let's switch to the original theme. So this is the original theme, and as you can see, it's running very fluidly because I have flashed custom firmware on this phone right now, and it's running quite fine. And there are some kind of gesture also I got, like if I do this gesture, I get the multitasking menu, as you can see here. So if you has Nokia N8, so like Nokia N8 701, 808, 500, this phone can be flashed with custom firmware. You need to find those firmware and flashed, and you will get a lot of features and other things, and the fluidity of the phone will increase a lot. And you can use this phone, although you have to struggle a lot, but still you can use this phone. And it's quite fun actually using this phone, quite fun. And I'm using this phone for a week now, and it's really fun. So what I have got is here is that some of the apps I need and games which I used to play when I had my Nokia 6310 and Nokia E5 or E63 and E71. So all the time I used to play some games. I try to find those games, and I have installed those games, and I installed Opera Mini and other things. And this ROM comes with pre-hacked, so whatever you want to install, you can install. You don't need to worry. And it's quite well actually, running quite well. As you can see here, I got some gesture and other things. It's working fine. And so then you can customize these buttons here with apps. There is apps, and there is nothing to say about it. But if you have used Symbian phone, you know that it's really futuristic phone. It's quite like Android, but much more than Android actually. It's quite interesting phone, not like you have to work little. It needs little work to get some kind of apps and other things. So but now it's just working fine after flashing the ROM, as you can see here. And you can see here I put one tape because I accidentally broke the hinge here when I was trying to replace the battery. and I broke it, but never mind, it's just working fine right now still, and the camera is working just fine. So main highlight of this phone was camera, and the camera is still working. If I take photo, it's just take the photo, and there is no issue with that. So I have taken some of the photo and I have edited some photos to show you that by editing what you can get with this from this phone. So let's check the photos. Hey guys, I'm taking this video from Nokia N8, and this is a 720p video, and you can hear my voice. And as you can see here, we are doing a video with this phone, and you can see the quality. And this phone is from 2010, and I don't know how it's sold up right now. And at the time, it has a great camera, but because of the time now, it's changed a little bit. So but still it's usable quite. As you can see here, we're taking photos. Okay, here is a little sample video of Nokia N8.